Hello everyone and welcome to Augmatic. Today I'm excited to introduce our smart washroom monitoring system. This system is designed for public washrooms, offices, hospitals, malls and smart buildings to provide an intelligent occupancy and hygiene monitoring. The system consists of two parts, a washroom node and a display unit. Inside the washroom, an ESP32 based node uses a RD03 wave radar sensor for a human presence detection and an NS3 gas sensor for an odor monitoring. Outside the washroom, a 3.5-inch HMI display shows a live washroom status and a sensor data. When a person enters the washroom, a radar sensor immediately detects a human presence and displays the change from vacant to occupied. Unlike traditional monitoring sensors, the RD03 wave radar can detect even a very small human movements such as breathing or slight body motion, so the system remains accurate even when a person is sitting still. Once the person leaves, the status automatically changes back to vacant and the usage count is increased automatically. At the same time, NH3 gas sensor continuously monitors ammonia gas levels inside the washroom. If the gas concentration becomes high, the NH3 value is highlighted to indicate the poor air condition. The system indicates wirelessly using a BLE communication while also supporting Wi-Fi connectivity and MQTT cloud publishing. The display interface is designed to provide an occupancy status, usage count, NH3 levels, and a live monitoring indicators in real time. Additional feature includes Wi-Fi auto reconnect, BLE auto reconnect, offline detection, and a sensor preheat handling. This system can also expand for the future, such as cloud dashboard, mobile app monitoring, exhaust and automation, cleaning alerts, and a smart analysis. In conclusion, the smart washroom monitoring system provides a compact and intelligent solution for a hygiene monitoring and smart building of applications. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more innovation from Augmatic.